Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all. Allow me, Dwi Oktaria, a postgraduate student in guidance and counseling at the Indonesia University of Education, to present the result of my simple research related to the phenomenon of academic burnout among students at SMP Negeri 36 Bekasi. Academic burnout is growing global mental health challenge, particularly critical within the dense academic context of Indonesia. It is defined by three core dimensions: emotional exhaustion, profound mental and physical fatigue, cynicism and detachment, a negative distant attitude towards school activities, reduced efficacy, a sense of incompetence, and declining academic achievement. In junior high school, this syndrome is exacerbated by challenging academic transition coupled with the psychological and social turbulence of puberty, creating a high-risk environment for chronic stress and mental fatigue. The study aims to provide a contextual foundation for designing effective student-centered intervention programs by investigating burnout through the perspective of student and teacher at SMP Negeri 36 Bekasi. Study objective. The preliminary qualitative study employed the focus group discussion (FGD) method to capture the subjective reality of academic burnout. The research was guided by three core questions designed to explore the issue comprehensively. First, contributing factors. What internal school and external family social factors contribute to the emergence of academic burnout? Second, symptom expression. How are the symptoms of academic burnout experienced and displayed by junior high school students in their daily life, behaviorally, emotionally, and psychically? Third, intervention strategies. What coping strategies and mechanisms are employed by students and teachers to prevent and address academic burnout? Methodology and participant. The study utilized an exploratory qualitative design suitable for gaining an in-depth understanding of a complex social phenomenon in this natural setting. Purposive sampling was used to select two groups of key stakeholders at SMP Negeri 36 Kota Bekasi. 10 of grade 8 students selected based on objective criteria like history of unexcused absences, chronic delayed assignment submission, and documented academic decline. Six homeroom teacher, selected based on minimum 5 years of experience and prior experience handling students showing signs of burnout. Data was collected via two separate FGDs, 90 minutes for students, 60 minutes for teacher, and analyzed using thematic analysis to identify patterns and themes. The trilogy of burnout: behavioral, emotional, and physical manifestation. Behavioral disengagement. Symptoms include social withdrawal, chatting during lesson, frequent non-urgent class departures, and chronic procrastination or failure to submit assignment. Emotional and affective. Students show poor emotional regulation, exhibiting increased irritability, restlessness, and disrespectful behavior, reflecting growing cynicism towards school activity. Physical exhaustion. Deep fatigue is expressed through behaviors like sleeping in class, lack of movement, and increased absenteeism, signifying chronic energy depletion. Interestingly, these symptoms were found to be most prevalent among grade 7 students, attribute to the difficulties in adapting to junior high school and mastering foundational material. Internal and external factors fueling academic burnout. The root causes of burnout stem from a combination of unsupportive factors within and outside the school environment. The role of external pressure, home and digital life, uncontrolled gadget use, excessive use of digitally technology, especially late at night, directly leads to sleep deprivation. This lack of restorative sleep is highly correlated with increased fatigue and reduced motivation, creating a psychological pressure to burnout. High parental expectation. Parenting style emphasizing high demand without adequate emotional support. Authoritarian parenting create intensive psychological pressure. This lack of parental responsiveness and emotional support leaves students vulnerable to emotional exhaustion and cynicism towards school. Multi-phase impact on performance and well-being. Cognitive decline reflected directly in declining academic performance and lower report card grades stemming from chronic inattention, procrastination, and non-attendance. Affective deterioration, students show poor emotional regulation, leading to increased irritability, lack of respect, and overall deterioration of social relationship with peers and teachers. Threat to development. If unaddressed, burnout threatens not only academic success but also the student's long-term psychosocial well-being and emotional development during a critical adolescent phase. A collaborative systematic approach to prevention. Uh, a teacher at SMP Negeri 36 Bekasi recognized the need for a comprehensive intervention strategy involving all stakeholders in the student's ecosystem. This systemic approach aligned with Brown-Ferner's ecological system theory. A subject and homeroom teacher, initial detection and daily support for behavioral symptoms in class, school counselor, educational intervention and emotional support for students, integrated collaboration, uniting resources and perspective for a holistic and sustained response to burnout. Parents and family address root causes at home, ensuring balanced parenting and sleep hygiene. By addressing both the school-based symptoms and the root causes at home, school can build a stronger support system for recovery and resilience. Conclusion. Essential intervention for junior high school resilience, immediate action, police, and training. Intervention must focus on improving the quality of classroom learning and enhancing social support from families. Teacher capacity building in various student-centered instructional strategies, psychoeducational programs for parents on balance, supporting parent style, strengthening early detection system within school counseling services. Future research scope. Uh, to generalize and deepen understanding, further investigation is needed. expand the sample scope geographically and culturally within Indonesia, develop standardized and culturally adapted assessment instruments for academic burnout, design and test evidence-based intervention model contextualized to the local education system. Further exploration of protective factors and student resilience mechanism is critical area for deeper investigation to build proactive mental health strategies. Fostering resilience, a shared responsibility. Academic burnout demands our collective attention. By understanding its complex drivers and implementing holistic, collaborative strategies, we can empower junior high school to thrive academically and emotionally, building a foundation for lifelong well-being. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.